How much this fish? How much this?
Per kilo,
Kilo, how much?
320.
This 320 and this
270.
270. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Also barbecue here. Okay, thank you. Wait 1 minute. Hi, Christian. You go to the Philippines and stay most of time not in Angeles.
Not only that.
So you go to Angeles and go take your girlfriend. And where you go? Where you been?
Boracay.
Boracay again,
Manila.
Boracay in Manila. So
Manila Mall, Venice Mall.
so you not won't stay long time in Angeles because more better in the beach with girlfriend.
It's better turn around sometime because
But did you been in the walking street this time?
just to eating little bit.
A little bit, not good
Just
now.
to eating, and it's too much broken. And
Yeah. So better go to province.
I hope yes, I hope next time it's better, it's perfect. I hope.
And I know you've been in Manila, small Venice. Oh, Venice.
For Venice.
Venice is near Aura Mall, small Venice. But I know you live in Venice.
I live near Venice.
What is the same or not? Because I never been in Venice.
Little piece. It's a small copy, but it's
Small copy.
I appreciate that. How they made, I appreciate it. Really.
Yeah, but clean, good, just walk.
It's a big commercial center.
Okay, let's go to the airport.